Daddy's got a snowball. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look at him trying to get it. Look at Harlow with her paw. So exciting. Ready? Oh boy.
Look at one reaching up.
Throw it. Tease. Off they go. It's like, how do they find it? I think Bella might have gotten it. Good girl.
Right. Keep an eye on the dog.
Okay. Woo! Harlow didn't quite get that. She ran back. Tell her, say, Dad, I didn't get one. Oh, lucky dog. Look at her. Ran off with it. Are you giving it? She shook it. Did you give one to Bella?
They all got one.
Did you see Cheyenne shake it? So yummy.
It's a big snowball for them.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's what it is. Good girl.